Gotta get ready.
All right, hog hunting Harper. Tell us what is this fanny pack you got on here?
This ain't a fanny pack. This holds your bullets, holds your shells. So we got over 50 shells on you. I can't be fumbling and dumpling one at a time.
Oh, okay.
And then I can throw all my old shells in here. Cause you gotta be clean, gotta protect the environment.
Okay.
Now let's go holler at Skip.
Looks like a kitchen apron to me, guys.
All right, guys, I'm out here at Bailys, getting ready for my duck hunt. About to go shoot a few clay shells with Mr. Davis. And remember this, guys. Okay. Winners don't follow the rules. They make the rules.
Okay. Take note to the fact that he did not pay attention to any of the rules.
All right, we got action.
All right. Ready? Pull.
Ain't hit shit.
Ready? Pull.
Oh!
All right. I'm one eye Willie. One eye. That was with one eye.
That's what
One
you
eye.
gotta do.
I can't. Not saying I can't, but you see the difference.
You want me to keep putting them in the same spot, or I'll mix them up every once in a while. I'll let you get comfortable, maybe 2 or 3 more.
Yeah.
And then I'll put them in different spots.
That'll work. Ready? Pull. Oh yeah.
Hot dog.
That one eye. That's what it's taking right there. Hey, this shotgun is good, not too much kick. I like it.
What's that you working with though?
Man, I am working with a 12 gauge ATA Arms camo pattern.
Okay.
Made exclusively for Academy.
Okay.
All right.
Academy Sports and Outdoors. Soon to be sponsors.
Soon to be sponsored soon. Hog Gun Harper. All right, ready? Pull.
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah. Ready? Put it at a different angle. Let me just see. Pull.
Oh, that motherfucker went.
Now I ain't
God
going.
damn.
I think that other range.
Yeah, I didn't know how far it would.
Yeah.
You can only go off just barely.
Yeah. Or we may have to switch, you know, but I ain't gonna. I got one more shot, so this will be one shot.
Okay, let me show y'all how complicated my job is.
Pull. Let's pray for him. Pray for him, guys.
All right, let's see if we can get him an action shot here.
Call him.
Ready? Pull. Man,
I don't know if that was in there.
I like this shit.
You like the shotgun?
I like the shotgun. I like the ski. It's definitely different.
It give you something that's moving instead of just shooting at the standalone deer.
Yeah. You know, it's fun now. It's fun when I'm using my bow, but this is actually fun, better than shooting paper. You can actually see what's happening. All right. Ready? Pull.
Money in the bank.
Man, I hit the same piece twice. Hey, you know what?
I didn't see that, y'all. I saw one hit.
All right.
I think
Next, we're gonna do one more pull. When I reload, I'm gonna have him put 2 in, and I'm gonna show y'all how hog hunting Harper, bam, bam. So this easy for me.
Bam, bam. Sound
Bam,
like
bam.
I'ma get hurt. Sound
Ready?
Like I'ma get hurt.
Pull. Oh. All right. Let me reload.
You want me to load too?
Yo, we're gonna load 2 this round. This is what we call bam, bam.
I think I need to put it on the target.
Put it on the target. Bam, bam. You about to see it live in action.
You're about to have a miss
and oh shit. Y'all ready? Ready? Pull. Good hit. Oh!
Bam,
We got
bam.
2 hits.
Bam, bam.
We got the bam bam.
Bam, bam. And still got one more. Ready? Pull.
Got him.
Yeah,
I think you shooting at about 85%.
yeah. We're gonna let this barrel cool down a little bit. And we're gonna let the engineer, Mr. Davis, do a little bam bam. Let me teach you how to load it, man. Let you have a little fun.